summary about the circulatory system in human beings. So here we have the impure blood coming through the right atrium. So two ways through which it comes. One is from the upper part of the body, which is through the superior inferior cava, and the lower part of the body, which is through the inferior vena cava, enters into the right auricle. From the right auricle it goes into the right ventricle. From the right ventricle there is a very important aspect that takes it to the lungs. So you have pulmonary artery. This name suggests as pulmonary artery. However, it takes the deoxygenated blood from the right ventricle. Now this blood goes into the lungs. In the lungs this blood is purified, and this purified blood enters into the pulmonary vein. So note, vein whenever we say is something that enters into the heart. Artery is taking it away from the heart. So A for artery, A for away. That's how you can remember it. Don't confuse it that arteries always carry the pure blood. Pulmonary artery is not such case, and arteries are therefore said that they carry the blood away from the heart. It's not about pure and impure. So pulmonary artery carries the impure blood from the heart to the lungs. In the lungs this purification process takes place, and that purified blood comes into the pulmonary vein. Through the pulmonary vein it enters the left auricle. Now once it enters the left auricle, where the pulmonary vein brings in the pure blood, this pure blood goes to the left ventricle, and from the left ventricle it goes through the aorta across the different parts of the body. Clear? Now, important things to note. We have two important walls. The wall that separates the left auricle and the left ventricle is known as the bicuspid or the mitral wall. The wall that separates the right auricle and the right ventricle is known as the tricuspid wall. Between the two ventricles is the location for the bundle of His. These are specialized fibers which originate from AV node. AV node is considered as the pace setter for the heart, and this bundle of His bifurcates into Purkinje fibers. Now these Purkinje fibers convey the impulse from the contraction of the AV node to the myocardium of the ventricles. So that's how the role of Purkinje fibers is again important. And then what is the SA node? SA node is again called as the pace maker of the heart. So important to note, AV node is the pace setter. SA node is the pace maker which spreads the wave of contraction across the walls of the atria. So this is a basic understanding of the circulatory system, how it operates. The impure blood enters into the right auricle. The pure blood moves from the right ventricle through the aorta to the whole body, and this process is known as double circulation. Why it is called as double circulation? It involves two circulation. One is the systemic circulation, the other is the pulmonary circulation. Pulmonary circulation, where the pulmonary artery takes the impure blood, brings it back to the pulmonary vein in the form of pure blood. Systemic is where the superior inferior cava and the superior vena cava and the inferior vena cava bring in the impure blood, and aorta takes the pure blood from it. So there are two important circulation processes, and therefore this is called as a double circulation process. Again, heart is enclosed in a wall which is known as pericardium. There is a pericardium cavity which is present between the heart, and there is a pericardial fluid which reduces the friction and protects the heart from any kind of external injuries. If we talk about the size of the heart, it is about 12 centimeters. The weight of the female heart is around 230 to 280 grams. However, the weight of the male heart is around 280 to 340 grams. So very small portion which is in terms of weight, we could say, and it is located between the lungs in the thoracic cavity. So that's just a basic idea about the circulatory system. Two or three important things to note: the role of inferior vena cava, superior vena cava, pulmonary artery, pulmonary vein, AV node and SA node. AV node, as I said, is the pace setter. SA node is the pace maker, then the bundle of his bifurcating into Purkinje fibers. So again a very important concept. In the right side you have the tricuspid wall, in the left there is the mitral valve, or what is known as the bicuspid wall. So this was a quick summary about the functioning of the heart. Wish you very good luck, and do follow the link below for practice questions for free. Thanks for joining in.